Okay guys, I'm at the mall and I'm outside of Brio and I'll be grabbing something to eat. Hi everyone. I just dining one.
One?
Yeah. Okay guys, we're inside Brio right now. There's this nice atmosphere. Have nice lights, high ceilings. Okay guys, they do have a nice seating. I'm not sure, I don't know how to describe the style of the decor. Outdoor, they do have like a bar and a outdoor patio. They do have high ceilings and draperies. Okay, I've ordered hot seat. Came with bread. Okay, let's try out the bread. The colors does look pretty good. Has spaghetti, asparagus, tomatoes, broccoli, chicken, I can smell the flavors in there. Has a cheesy taste to it. Once you know, bite into it. Okay, let's try out chicken. The chicken does taste good on this. I think the spaghetti is a little bit undercooked. Okay, let's try out the asparagus. The asparagus, it is cooked. Okay, let's try out this broccoli. Really good. It is cooked. The sauce is really good on this one. I like how this dish has this chewy texture of the spaghetti, the asparagus, and the herbs on the spaghetti. It has a little bit of herbs and a little bit probably ginger taste to it, so it's good. They probably add a little bit of wine. Has a little bit of cheese in there, there's this creamy, little bit of a creamy cheese texture to it. The chicken, it is a little bit of grilled. Okay guys, I'm gonna give this one 3 out of 5. Okay guys, they do have nice atmosphere. Okay guys, this one is located in the mall. Okay guys, it is still in the winter right now. Okay guys, if you guys want more information, I'll be putting a link below of this video. Okay guys, they do have many restaurants around. Okay guys, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe for more of my videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Okay guys, this is Trader Squest. Okay guys, see ya.